In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and exit full screen mode in the Brave browser on a PC. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, distraction-free view while browsing, full screen mode is a quick way to hide the tabs, address bar, and other toolbars, so the page content takes center stage. This is especially handy when you're watching videos, presenting, or just want a more immersive reading experience. There are two simple ways to do this in Brave. First, the fastest method is the keyboard shortcut. With Brave open and the window active, press the F11 key on your keyboard. The moment you press it, the browser's toolbars disappear and your page expands to fill the entire screen. This is a toggle, so when you're ready to return to the normal view, just press F11 again and everything snaps back to the usual layout. If you're on a laptop and pressing F11 changes your volume or brightness instead, hold the FN key and then press F11. Many laptops combine function keys with system controls, so using FN helps send the proper command to the browser. The second method uses the on-screen menu. Look to the top right corner of Brave for the main menu icon, which may appear as 3 lines or 3 dots depending on your setup. Click it to open the menu. Find the zoom section and click the full screen icon there. As soon as you select it, the browser hides the toolbars and gives you that same edge-to-edge view. To come back, open the menu again and choose the option to exit full screen. This mirrors the keyboard behavior, so you can pick whichever method feels more comfortable. Both approaches do the exact same thing. They remove the browser Chrome for a clean, immersive view of your content, and they're easy to reverse at any time. Full screen affects only the current Brave window, so if you're working with multiple monitors or multiple windows, it won't interfere with anything else you have open. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the Brave window is selected before you press F11, so the shortcut goes to the right place. And remember that full screen mode doesn't change your page zoom or text size, it only hides the interface around the page. That's all there is to it. Use F11 for speed or the menu's full screen button if you prefer clicking. And when you're done, press F11 again or use the menu's exit option to return to normal.